Hello. So today is 7th May 2021. It's 5:45 p.m. and I have just woken up. Yes, I have just woken up and I have decided to record myself. I actually decided to record myself last night at 3 a.m. but I was watching something and I just slept. And now after like 12 hours later, I have woken up and I have decided I felt like recording myself. Uh, So I don't know what I'm going to talk about, by the way. I I have like my audio version. I felt like this should be very raw. Whatever comes from my heart should I should speak that. I should speak whatever comes from my heart. So I am not going to edit any of this. Like what our the when I click record and I click end, I don't edit any of the middle portions or anything. So yeah, I talking about myself. I am going to talk about myself every day, every week, maybe if I can do that, and maybe give life updates, feelings, emotions, whatever I am going through. I am going to share it with you with no filters, absolutely no filters. So yeah, that is it. So today is 7th May 2021. I have decided to so to conclude, I'm concluding this. Sorry. Okay, this is the first time. I think I should. Okay, I'll learn everything soon. I guess it will come naturally to me. So to conclude, today I am not going to express anything. Today I am going to give a brief about this whatever thing I am starting. So to conclude, today is 7th May 2021. I have decided to start an audio version of myself where I am going to be extremely raw and honest about things, and whatever I speak should be from my heart. So that means there would be no retakes. Even if I take a big pause, I might cut that or not, but I am thinking of keeping that also. Mm, so I uh, don't think I will be speaking much, uh, but I am feeling good about this because here's the reason. I can tell you something. I am not self disciplined. I I there are times I don't like myself. I know that I want to be disciplined. I want to be strict about myself and other things. Every I want to be straight. See, my I slept at 4:35 last night and I woke up 5:30 in the evening right now. So you can see, uh, what I'm going through. uh it is good, it feels good to sleep like late and wake up late, but in a long time run, when you look back, it somewhere feels bad. It somewhere feels bad. So I have decided to conclude again, I went on a different lane explaining myself, uh, explaining things. So, yeah. So, to conclude, today is 7th May 2021. I have decided to start an audio version of myself, and I will be speaking from my heart. It will be extremely raw and honest. I will share my feelings, my thoughts, how my day went or how my week went. Whenever I get time, I will record myself at night or in the afternoon, and I'll put it out. I don't know what do I call it. I think I'm just going to put the date as my title, and that is going to be it. So this was just an introduction I don't know if anybody is going to listen because I have decided that I will not share this to anyone. I don't know why I decided to do that, but then why am I recording this anyway if nobody is going to hear it? Well, I don't know. I I don't know.